Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope all of you fine. Today, let us start a new lesson of social science subject. Okay, children? Children, as you know, the world is very big. There are so many oceans, continents, countries, cities, and towns are there. Children, now tell me, where is Asian continent located? In Asian continent, where is India located? In India, where is Karnataka state located? In Karnataka, where is your district Haveri located? It is very difficult now, children, to identify the places. Yes, it's very difficult to identify, to know oceans, countries, continents, cities and towns. What is the device we use, children? Hope you understood that answer. Those are globes and maps. Let us start a new lesson of unit number 1, our Earth. In that you will study about globes and maps. Today we'll discuss about globes and maps. Okay, children? Dear children, in this lesson you will understand and recognize the shape of the earth, how to use globes and maps, and what are the colors, symbols, sign are used on map. Come on children, tell me, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, very good. It is in spherical shape. It is round like an orange. Isn't it, children? Yes. Children, do you know? In the ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the earth and proved that it is round in shape. However, it is not a perfect round. It is round like an orange, buggling at the middle and slightly flat at the top and the bottom. The extreme north and the extreme south points of the earth are called the poles. The region at the top of the earth is the North Pole and at the bottom is the South Pole. Dear children, ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿಯು ಸಮತಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿದ್ದರು. ಫರ್ಡಿನೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಗಲನ್ ಎಂಬ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ನಾವಿಕ ಭೂಮಿಯು ಗೋಳಾಕಾರವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಸಾಬೀತುಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಭೂಮಿಯು ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಪ್ಪಟೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗ ಉಬ್ಬಿದೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯು 2 ಧ್ರುವಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಉತ್ತರ ಧ್ರುವ ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಧ್ರುವ. Children, the study of the earth is done with the help of globes and maps. Let's study about globes. Children, tell me, what is a globe? Good. A globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. Globes are always mounted on an axle stand. The axle tilt is the same as tilt of the earth's axis. A globe accurately represents the distribution of continents and oceans on the earth. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. Different colors are used to denote different places on the earth. All the water bodies are blue in color and all the land masses are green, brown and yellow in color. Globe. ಇದು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ಲೋಬನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಕ್ಸಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣವು ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಸಾಗರವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹಸಿರು, ಬ್ರೌನ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಭೂಖಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Dear children, a globe has its disadvantages. Like first one, it neither shows us the details of a place nor it is easy to carry. Second, locating a place on the globe is also very difficult. Third one, globes do not show the entire earth at a time. Children, you can see this moving globe. Can you see the particular place on globe? No, it is not easy. So we refer a map to study places. Dear children, what is this children? Yes, good. It is a word map. What is a map? Good. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. This is world map. A world map also represents the earth. It is a drawing of different part of world on a flat surface or on paper. Map shows specific details of area very well. They are also very convenient to carry. ಮ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಕ್ಷೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಭೌತಿಕ ನಕ್ಷೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ವಿಷಯಾಧಾರಿತ ನಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಇದು ಹವಾಮಾನ, ಮಳೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸಸ್ಯವರ್ಗಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. A political map of a country shows political features such as states, capital cities and major towns. ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಜರ್ ಟೌನ್ಸ್, ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೇಟು, ವ್ಯಾಲಿ, ರಿವರ್, ಸೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಇಂದ ಭೌತಿಕ ನಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ವತ, ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ, ಕಣಿವೆ, ನದಿ, ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಸಾಗರ ಇವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, there are also thematic map which shows special features of our regions, showing distribution of rainfall, vegetation, minerals, industries, etc.